What is up, everybody? It's your boy Anthony McClain back at you at Black Hand Capital. So in this video, we are going to go over the 5 NFTs I think are really good investments, and as well as you are going to see me purchase a few of these NFTs. So I am very excited, and we will be on the Solana blockchain on Solanart. We see I'm actually about to purchase this NFT, so let's go to buy now. Confirm NFT project soon as this goes through. All right, awesome. Transaction completed. So this is the Jicon Studios NFT project, a very underrated NFT project in my opinion. I do see this NFT project running up to maybe 10 to 20 Solana. Now, what's cool about this project is that they, as soon as they released their roadmap, they immediately started staking, which this is a studio that is making on their promises when it comes to their roadmap, which is something that is rare. You really don't see that a lot. So just to see a NFT project actually deliver on their promises just shows to me that this is a very good buy. So this is another really good NFT project, and you just look at how fast they're selling. Like, okay, congratulations, it was bought. Okay, so we see how there is this problem going on with my wallet. But you see, so Cool Kids Society is definitely a NFT that I like. We see how we got close to the floor price of 253, and we see they have an extremely low mint. Which next one is Soulful. Soulful is another good NFT project that I love. So like I said, they are delivering on their promises. Definitely a NFT project I would recommend. See, if you look, they're being bought up so fast that we are having to move. We are literally having to move at lightning speed because of the speed at which they are being sold at. Okay, so let's. Like I said, another good NFT project. Sadly, just not gonna try to pick one up right now. There's obviously a lot of volume going on when it comes to this NFT project, but nevertheless, a very good NFT project. Let's go to Transmitral Fox Foundation. I really do want to pick this one up if possible. Current price not listed exactly. Yep, it was definitely sold. Yeah, that's saying that, like, this is a solid NFT project, and I am going to pick one up regardless of what it has to say. So here's another NFT project I'm about to purchase. The Transdimensional Foxes, like, transaction confirmed. Congratulations. Boom. We just bought a Transdimensional Fox Federation NFT. Awesome. These are a very underrated NFT project, and if you look, yeah, we did get it over spot, over price, over the set price. Do I think these are very good NFTs? I do. I do, and I do see myself flipping these. Just holding for a month or so, seeing how the market is going to do. Like I said, I do see myself flipping this in NFTs. They are extremely underrated projects that a lot of people are not taking serious, when in reality, I think they are very, very good projects that us as investors do need to look at investing, do need to look at as projects that are worth our time. And as well as I do see all 3 of them bringing me a net return of probably $500 to $1,000. So these are the 3 NFT projects that you just seen me purchase, that you just seen me invest my own money, because like I tell y'all before, I do not invest. I do not talk about things that I am personally not invested in. Why would I give you advice on something that I am not invested in? And if I do give you advice on it, it's probably I'm getting ready to purchase it, or I just don't agree with it. Going into Terra Luna 2.0, like I told y'all, I gave y'all my opinions on it. I'm not too confident in it right now just because of the whole crash, but I would definitely be watching. And the thing is, the second that I do purchase Terra Luna 2.0, I will definitely let you guys know. So that is all for this video. Thanks all you guys for enjoying. Thanks all you guys for supporting the channel. Thanks all you guys for supporting Black Hand Capital. And bye-bye.